What's up, guys? If you want to see what it looks like on the way to Everglades City, this is it. A lot of airboat rides in the Miccosukee Reservation. And I don't think this is where we're going to meet Miguel. It's up ahead over there, right over there, yeah. Miccosukee Police. Yeah, right here, Miccosukee Gas and General Store. Let's see, did I beat him here? Nope, there he is. What's up, buddy boy? Miccosukee General Store with my buddy Miguel. What are we gonna buy, bro?
From here.
Okay. Mira. Okay. Yeah, those are mine, so they're more important. All right, step one complete. I met Miguel up at the general store, the Miccosukee, as you can see in the video. And we got the most important stuff. And now we're on our way to the campsite, and it looks like it's going to be just in time before it gets dark. We can set everything up. It's going to be great. And then we just chill out until the rest of the guys come. Okay guys, this is our turn right here. Mitchell's Landing Campground. Not bad. Maybe an hour away from the house. Oh, there is a gate. So we're in Big Cypress National Preserve or National Park. And we're approaching our campsites. Miguel has campsite number 8. I have 7 across from him. Let's see how they are. I like it already. I think those were the camp hosts back there. Five, 6. That's mine, and yours is over here, 8, right? Beautiful, yes. Love it. The beer and the ice did not fall, that's awesome. All right, I'll check back with you in a little bit. I'm gonna set up the tent now.
Okay, now the big moment. Stella's going in.
This is for you, Gino.
Huh?
Right here, your favorite.
We wish you were here, Gino.
That's Duro too, right?
Duro, yeah. He might be bugging already. Wow. Boatload of beer. On the bigger one? Oh, That's all right.
Because we only have one bag of ice.
But you know what? Keep some out so that the ice goes down.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
Let's just put them standing up. There you go. I think they're coming for us. Uh-oh, the police! Hello. How are you?
Yes. We got 2 watches. 7 and 8.
Are you good?
Bueno, tiene que ser este taco.
Wow. Chin chin.
Cheers, brother. Okay, before all the light goes away, here's the campsite set up. Here's my side here. Number 8, really nice site. It has like a little cove, private area. Here's where the fire's gonna be soon. Here's Miguel's hammock, Miguel's tent, Miguel's bike. Es un tronco, boludo, que no se puede cortar. Es un palo que pusieron ahí, boludo. La comida.
¿Quién sabe qué carajo será?
Estos boludos, boludo. Mira esto, mira esto. Pégalo, mamá. Pégalo un pedacito.
Camilo.
Pégalo por lo menos.
Préstame un tenedor, por favor. Rápido.
No, si es como que se comía.
Mierda.
Claro que es comida, man. Lo recocinó este man nada más.
No, mi amor, no es.
A ver, probalo, boludo, probalo. Es un tronco, boludo, eso.
Es un tronco, maricón.
Plant.
Toma, mira.
Se pasó. Boludo, tiene raíz.
Se pasó, es que lo puse.
Tiene raíz, boludo.
Ustedes se demoraron como 4 horas.
Pruébalo, Camilo, pruébalo.
Un pedacito. Dale,
No me gusta la punta, boludo.
coge con la mano.
Me gustan los huevos,
Camilo, pruébalo.
No, yo. No, yo no voy a comer esa mierda, boludo.
Taste it, bro. Bubble, bud.
No, está medium rare.
Medium rare, esta hueá está más.
Tiene esa la mierda, boludo.
¿Por qué, chicos? Eso es carne.
Juan, necesito un tenedor o se va a quemar la cosita.
Ah, claro, que you have to change it.
¿Para qué probar eso?
O si no, Maradona, por favor.
Maradona, pero pégale un pedacito así. Que diga Maradona.
Toma,
Ese no, el otro.
No, chavo, pero esto no se puede comer, weón.
Toma, sí,
Pero pruébalo un poquito así.
Necesitas un diente de verga.
Probá este, boludo, está bueno. Yo lo probé a hacer.
Mira ahí.
Marico, ¿qué es esta vaina?
No, pero es que lo tenés que agarrar con los dedos y chuparlo.
Ese no, el otro.
No, está bien, that's okay. I'm fine. I don't even know what the hell that is.
¿Tú sabes qué es? Eso es dick. Eso es dick. Eso es dick, brother. Eso es dick.
¿Y
Eso,
cómo lo consigue?
mi papá lo consiguió.